guys! A day of my life as a college student in CCC. Good morning guys! My day usually I wake up around 6 a.m. First thing I do, I'm going to the bathroom to take a shower. After that, I prepare my school uniform. Then I eat my breakfast with coffee. After finish eating, I brush my teeth. So get ready with me. First thing I do is skincare routine. I put moisturizer to my face to cleanse my skin and I apply sunscreen to protect my skin to the sun. After I am done, I wear my ID and ready to go to the school na. Now I'm riding a tricycle going to my school. While I'm riding, I usually think about my classes and activities I need to finish. And I just arrived at school. The first thing I do is enter my classroom and prepare for my lesson. Sometimes I also meet my friends before the class started. So my teacher is now discussing the lesson. I take down notes and listen carefully. Sometimes we also have group activities or recitation. So finally my class is done. Now I'm going to the next subject, which is PE. We're going to the court because we have a practice, which is dancing. Then I go to my classmate and we are planning for our dancing steps. So it's really fun and exciting because my favorite activity is dancing. And our practice is finally done. It was tiring but fun. Now I'm leaving the campus together with my friends and we're going home. Sometimes I go out to relax the view of sinking because the river is so clean and green. The air is so fresh. It's so beautiful in this place. So my favorite hobbies is painting. I love painting because it expresses my creativity and emotion. It's a way of expressing my imagination. Painting helps me to relax and forget about my stress in my life. When I'm paint, I feel calm and peaceful. My dream is I want to become chef in cruise ship someday because I want to combine my love for cooking with desire to travel and I want to experience new culture to the country. And my achievement is I graduated with honors. I'm so grateful. It is one of my dreams also to accomplish my achievements. And my second achievement is I have a NC2, which is electrical and food beverage. I have learned a lot from taking my NC2. And I value my family because they are my foundation. Without them, I would not be able person I am today. They encourage me to reach my dreams and they believe me even when I doubt myself. My family is my greatest treasure. They are my source and strength and happiness, and I will always value them. Also, another important value is my education because even when the lesson is difficult, I learned that I should not give up because every challenge is not an opportunity to improve myself for my future. Education is not about knowledge but also about building values that last a lifetime. That's all guys. Thank you for watching.